So for today, we are going to compare Robinhood and Webull, the two popular stock trading platforms. So first, in Robinhood, it offers commission-free trades with a simple interface or a user-friendly interface. So the pros of it is it has no commissions, but it is a user-friendly application and the crypto trading. And the cons of it is only limited research tools and the fewer advanced features. While in Webull, it provides comprehensive tools for active traders, and the pros of it is it has a commission-free trades, detailed charts, as well as the analysis tools. And the cons, it is more complex interface and especially for beginners. So, it is used by advanced traders and in comparison, choose Robinhood for beginners looking and simplicity and choose Webull for advanced traders who need detailed tools. And in conclusion, for simplicity and beginner-friendly, Robinhood is great for you. But for technical analysis, Webull is a superior.